Hey guys, I just wanted to say that I'm back on YouTube. I have a name now, and it's only for Minecraft though. Why is it so bright in here? It's like so bright. Hold on. My magic. Okay, so that was too dark, but you can see me. Let me just do that. I'll stand in the light. Alright, so I'm back. I'm just kidding. Alright, people have been inboxing me or emailing me saying, play Minecraft. And, so I'm thinking, well, since my PlayStation broke, and if you didn't know that, now you do. My PlayStation broke the other day. So, I was thinking that maybe I could just play Minecraft videos. You know, kind of like Sky does Minecraft. Yeah, so I was thinking I could do that. My name is probably going to be my Minecraft name, just Elite Creator. And yeah, so Elite Creator, Minecraft. And I got a new computer at my dad's with Windows 8 and all that. So that should look good when we play Minecraft. So yeah, that's all I needed to say. And yeah, Elite Creator. And I'm going to change my name on YouTube. So yeah, I'll see you later. Adios.